Torrential slide is a cryptographic money that has been causing disturbances in the computerized cash world. Its remarkable calculation and quick exchange speed have made it perhaps of the most well-known computerized money out there. Many individuals are considering what's in store for torrential slide and whether its cost will keep on rising. In this video, we will investigate what torrential slide is, what crypto specialists consider it, and, obviously, show our AVAX coin cost forecast. If it's not too much trouble, recall that our cost forecasts don't comprise speculation exhortation. Consistently do your own exploration prior to trading any digital forms of money. Our ongoing AVAX to USD cost update shows the ongoing torrential slide cost is $17.15 USD. According to our torrential slide cost forecast, AVAX cost is supposed to have a 4.08% reduction and drop as low as by April 25, 2023. Our examination of the specialized pointers proposes that the ongoing business sector feeling is negative 83%, with a trepidation and ravenousness file score of 56. Over the most recent 30 days, torrential slide has had 17 30th green days and 6.21% cost unpredictability. Torrential slide specialized outline as per the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of torrential slide is $17.39, and AVAX is as of now position no. 16 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of torrential slide is $5,666,317,802.48, with a market cap of $325,823,913 AVAX. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 88 cents in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, AVAX has been in a decent vertical pattern, consequently expanding by 0.03%. Torrential slide has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of a VAX has expanded by 3.93%, adding an enormous typical measure of 68 cents to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now on the off chance that it keeps on developing. Torrential slide value forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of torrential slide costs expected in 2023, the base expense of torrential slide will be $24.30. The greatest level that the AVAX cost can reach is $29.09. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $25.01. Possible return for capital invested, 57.4% by AVAX value figure for February 2023 in light of the value changes of torrential slide toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical AVAX pace of $18.80 in February 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $17.19 and at $19.34 individually. Expected return for capital invested, 4.7% by WALC 2023. Torrential slide value gauge digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the AVAX cost in WALC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $18.65, while the most extreme could reach $20.09 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of torrential slide may be around $19.37. Possible return on initial capital investment, 8.7% by AVAX value estimate for April 2023. Crypto examiners have really taken a look at the value changes of torrential slide in 2023 and in earlier years. So the normal AVAX rate they foresee may be around $19.75 in April 2023. It can drop to $19.04 as a base. The greatest worth may be $21.06. Likely return for money invested, 14% by May 2023. Torrential slide value estimate around mid-year 2023. The AVAX cost will be exchanged at $20.54 by and large. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the torrential slide worth to $21.85. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $19.83 in May 2023. Expected return for money invested, 18.2% by AVAX value conjecture for June 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down torrential slide costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023, $21.37. The least and pinnacle AVAX rates may be $20.65 and $22.88. Likely return for money invested, 23.8% by July 2023. Torrential slide value conjecture. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the AVAX cost will be around $21.79. In July 2023, the torrential slide cost might drop to at least $20.90. The normal pinnacle worth may be $23.95 in July 2023. Possible return for capital invested. 29.6% by Avax value conjecture for August 2023. Having examined torrential slide costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the Avax rate could arrive at a limit of $24.82 in August 2023. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $21.95. For August 2023, the estimated normal of torrential slide is almost $22.66. Possible return for capital invested. 34.3% by September 2023. Torrential slide value gauge around mid-2023. The torrential slide cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $23.57. Crypto examiners expect that in September 2023, the Avax cost could vary somewhere in the range of $22.68 and $25.72. Possible return for money invested. 39.2% by Avax value figure for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the torrential slide worth won't dip under at least $23.15. The most extreme pinnacle expected for the current month is $26.90. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $24.04. Expected return for money invested. 45.6% by November 2023. Torrential slide value figure. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of Avax costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their conjecture is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of torrential slide will be around $28.10, with a chance of dropping to at least $23.81. In November 2023, the normal expense will be $24.52. Likely return on initial capital investment. 52.1% by Avax value gauge for December 2023. In light of the value changes of torrential slide toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Avax pace of $25.01 in December 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $24.30 and at $29.09. Separately, possible return for capital invested. 57.4% by torrential slide value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of torrential slide in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of torrential slide will be around $35.09. The most extreme expected Avax cost might be around $42.39. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $36.34 in 2024. Torrential slide value forecast 2025. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of torrential slide, in 2025, Avax is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $50.98 and $60.79. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $52.79. Torrential slide value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of crypto